Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to share with you guys how I personally apply my false lashes and in hopes to make you guys a pro at doing it. I have been wearing lashes for many years. I love lashes and I hope one day to come out with my own lash line. I get asked literally on a daily, how do I make it look so easy and how do I even just apply false lashes? A lot of people will say the reason why I don't wear lashes is because I don't know how to apply them, how to make it easy for myself. Lashes do help accentuate a look, as you guys can see. False lash, no lash. I look like a naked mole rat without them. So I love lashes. There's so many different styles of lashes. So sit down, grab yourself a pair of lashes, grab lash glue, all the tools that I'll mention in the video if you guys want to do this with me. And I hope you guys out. So this video is strictly just lashes. I'm not going to do an eye look. I just want to get right to the point and help you guys out. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you are subscribed. And if you guys are new, my name is Amber. Welcome, and I hope I can help you out. So let's get right into the video. So first off, I love taking a lash curler. You can use any lash curler of your choice. I love curling my natural lashes prior to putting on any mascara or false lashes just because it helps curl the lashes and I feel like it'll blend a little bit better into the false lashes. And I still look like a naked mole rat. Now with this step, you can already do your eyeshadow. You can already do your liner if you want to. I just did a little bronzer in the crease with the blending brush, so nothing crazy. And I'll go in at the end of the video and add the highlight. So going in with my Kush mascara from Milk Makeup. I personally love applying mascara prior to doing false lashes. Since the lashes are curled, I feel like it's going to create a nice barrier for the false lashes. And if you're not a big fan of applying mascara on top of false lashes, you don't have to worry about blending your natural lashes into that, which I'll show you guys in a little bit what I mean by that. So after I apply the mascara, I do like to let the mascara dry down because if you do go right in with it, you're going to get mascara all over your nails, all over your fingers, and it's going to become messy. So just let it dry for about a minute. So for lashes today, I'm going to be using Lilly lashes in the style Dallas, which it's their premium synthetic lashes. So before I get into any of the glue, we just want to start off with the lash itself. I know this may seem like a lot of steps and it seems like this will take a lifetime, but literally this takes me 1 minute to do when I'm doing my makeup. So I'm just trying to make this video easy for you guys. You guys can pause, fast forward. If you have a fresh pair of lashes, this is more so going to go with this whole step. If you already have lashes that you've already trimmed, you can kind of ignore, is to apply the false lash on the lash line prior to putting any type of glue or adhesive on the lash band. So what I'm going to do is just take the lash and apply it as if there is lash glue on the band. Now I know that this is going to fit me, but when you do this, if you feel like the lash band is too long, you can take scissors, you can take little cosmetic scissors, trim little bits. I wouldn't trim a whole lot just in case you take off too much and then the lash looks weird on the lash line, and put it back on after you trim it just to see, okay, like this looks like it's going to fit. And usually when you put this on your lash line prior to putting on glue, you can kind of tell if it's going to feel uncomfortable, if it's going to poke your inner corner. And if you feel that poking of the inner corner, your eye's going to water, the lash glue is going to not hold the lashes, and the whole lash is going to lift up, and then you're screwed. So I'm telling you, the last thing you want is for your lash to lift up when you're at dinner, when you're out, don't have lash glue with you, which I always carry lash glue with me in my purse whenever I go somewhere. But I'm telling you, if you trim your lashes so they fit perfectly on your natural lash line, you'll be good. As many times as you wear them, you won't have to do that ever again. The next couple steps, you can either use your fingers. Usually when I have nails like this, I kind of just apply that way, but I will show you with tweezers. They also do have like a lash applicator. I personally don't own one. I just use tweezers and I feel comfortable using tweezers. If you are going to use tweezers instead of your fingers or instead of the lash applicator, be very careful. We don't want eyes being poked out. We don't want, I don't know what else can happen, but sharp objects around the eyes are very dangerous. So here I just have these little tweezers that I use. I love them. I got them from Ulta. When it comes to lash glue, now me personally, I have a sensitivity to latex, and a lot of lash glues there is the ingredient of latex. What happens to me when I wear lash glue that has latex in it, my lash line gets so inflamed and red and itchy, and now I use latex free glue. So the one that I use, the Duo latex free, and it is a wand applicator, which I find saves you time, so much easier, it's less of a hassle. I usually like to let the lash glue on the lash dry for about 30 seconds. I like it a little tacky, somewhat wet, but not dry at all. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm going to be using tweezers to apply my lashes. And see where I'm placing the tweezers? I'm kind of placing them more towards the center of the lash band. I'm not holding it on the ends. So what I'm going to do first is I like to keep a mirror, I have my mirror here, kind of below at like an angle. So I can see right up my nose if I look down. But I like to keep my eyes open for this process. What I'm going to do is literally just lay it as close as I can to my lash line. I'm not going to adjust anything just yet, but I want to make sure that it is centered. So I like to focus on centering the lash and then working on the ends. I'm telling you, if you hold your mirror at this angle, you'll see everything. You'll see how close the lash band is to your natural lash line. If there's any gaps, if you need to push it closer or pull it closer to the lash line. Once you do that, the lash should fit perfectly. You shouldn't have to worry about it poking or it being too long and it looking weird. And I will also say, if you apply eyeliner of any type of sort, whether it's liquid or a pencil, it will blend a little bit better for you. You won't have to worry about getting it extra super close and like perfecting it towards the lash line. But me personally, I've mastered making it look as natural as possible. If you didn't get right the first time, you can definitely take it off, start fresh. Don't get so frustrated with it, but give the glue enough time to dry. What's also nice with those lash applicator tools can actually help bind your natural lashes to the false lashes. You can use your fingers to do that. Gently taking my thumb area and pressing up my natural lashes to the false lashes. If you apply the lashes and you feel any type of poking in the inner corner, you can gently just pull on the outer part of the lash to kind of move it over because maybe you didn't center it right. So after that whole application process, I feel like I am pretty satisfied in the placement of the lash. When I blink, there's no poking, there's no irritation. It feels comfortable and it feels like I have nothing on. So I'm going to go back in with the mascara. This is an optional step. I know a lot of people don't like putting mascara on their false lashes, but I personally don't mind. I feel like this blends the natural lashes to the false lashes just a little bit more, secures it, and I like to add a little bit more drama to the false lashes. What I like doing is literally getting as close as I can to my lash line and applying that mascara and kind of just binding and securing that natural lash to the false lash. And then also what I like to do is just take the tip of the mascara and dab on top of the false lashes. It kind of gives that more dramatic look. Look how more dramatic it is. Let me do it over here. Alright you guys, so that is how I apply false lashes. I really hope that this video helps you and kind of just breaks everything up as far as the steps that I take in applying false lashes. It makes the whole process easier for you guys. I've been wearing lashes for so many years. I hope if any of you have had doubts on wearing lashes and were scared of the whole application process, this video will help calm and soothe your nerves and make it easier. If there are any extra questions that you guys have in regards to this video, or maybe I didn't explain something, definitely comment below. I'm always responding to your guys' comments. I would love to answer those for you guys. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on my process of applying false lashes and making you guys a pro at it. But make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you guys are subscribed. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.